Now the developers are being told that if you don't learn AI, you're going to lose your jobs. Well, I didn't lose my job, and I don't think the developers will, but we will change the way we build. So what's exciting for you and how you're hearing people actually using these products?
I was at a conference a couple of weeks ago at a random conversation with a VP of engineering at a large Fortune 50 organization, 3,500 developers. They are rolling out an agent-assisted IDE, or it's one of the Copilot. We'll leave it at that. And I asked him, what do you expect from 3,500 engineers in leveraging AI-assisted development? And he said he has no idea. He said it, and I was like, is it going to be generational? And he goes, actually, I don't think it is. I'm like, is it going to be, I don't want to try something new? And he goes, there will be some of that. And I'm like, but what is the driver behind that? And he goes, we're all human. And he said what his goal is to educate, not as a replacement methodology, but as an enhancement, or better yet, maybe correct some of the mistakes or concerns that we got comfortable with in a development world as a developer. Now I'm going to leverage AI and slowly in time maybe correct some of the things that I've been doing that wasn't the most efficient or was completely unnecessary. And so, for me, it's how do we leverage AI assisted development, but doing it the right way, making sure we're compliant or not going beyond our ops teams like we have done for however long now. And so for me, and I think even from a Dynatrace perspective, is how do we put the power back in the hands of the keyboard or the individual in the keyboard, rather than letting the technology dictate what we do. And that means not using the technology when we don't need to. And that means using it when it might be better, right?